Hello, my name is Tarazona. I'm a student of public accounting. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? In Tame, the most visited places due to their attractive are Villa Sofia, since it has a natural pool, and Alto Cravo Canyon, which is located on the outskirts of the town center and has a pool, food, and a wonderful view. What are the worst things that have happened to Owen Street? One in the worst thing I live in experience Warren Street is herring disease and vomiting all the way. Another unpleasant thing is that we had to spend 3 hours in a traffic jam with nothing to eat. What was the most expensive place to visit in your city? The most expensive place is a restaurant called Sanabria. Days of spectacular food and delicious cocktail. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The cheapest place in Tame is where Cabal. There is homemade food and family atmosphere. Have you ever met your friends one street? How did it happen? If I met friend one street that I took with the school dance group, or because we shared a dance experience, it was very nice. Thank you.